Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Phoebe, why are you rushing around so much? Slow down. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Out. And exhale. It's show and tell, and I totally forgot. And now I don't know what to make, and I don't know what to do. Well, that's okay, Phoebe. Let's look in our craft box. Miss Hands, can we have a hand, please?
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Hi Fizzy and Phoebe. I hear you want to do some crafting. Let's see what we've got in the craft box. We have pom-poms.
No.
Or squishy skins.
Yay, squishies! Pink squishies! And blue squishies! A squishy challenge!
Okay guys, I have our slime ready to go. See how stretchy that is? What color should we start with?
Great! Phoebe, what color would you like your squishy to be? I would like pink, like me. We could do squishies that look like us.
That's a great idea. Now, Phoebe wants her slime to be pink. So we're gonna take our clear slime here and put it on our mat. See how squishy that is? Woo, stretchy. And to make it pink, I think we should add some pink glitter. So I'm gonna sprinkle some on like this. And we're gonna mix it in. It's getting really sparkly now. Look at that. It's really squishy and stretchy. Look at that. And sparkly. What do you think, Phoebe?
It's so pink and sparkly. Do we have any other pink things we can put in it?
Well, let's take a look, shall we? Oh, look, I found these pink sparkly sequins.
Yay!
Let's tip them on. There we go. Ooh, oh, there's even a little pink bead in there. Woohoo! And we're just gonna mix these into our slime. Look at them in there. Oop, don't escape. You come back here now.
Wow, it's so stretchy. Miss Hands, do we have any pink stars we could add in?
I think we might be able to find some, Phoebe. I knew I had some somewhere, Phoebe. Let's add them in. Feels so soft and gooey.
It's the most beautiful pink slime in the whole world.
It certainly is. Look at all the pink and sparkles in there.
It is so cool. Good job, Phoebe.
Okay, now it's time to make fizzy slime. We gotta take this out of the bowl here. Woo, it's very sticky. And put it on the mat and give it a good old flatten out. There we go. So squishy.
let's make it really blue.
Okay, blue it is. Let's see what blue ingredients we have. Now we have several blue things we can add to our slime, but should we start with blue glitter?
Yes, please, Miss Hands. Whoa, it's the bluest of blue, like the ocean. It's also like the sky at night. Can we add in some blue stars?
Here you go, Fizzy. We have blue stars. Let's sprinkle them in.
Cool! We need one more blue thing, Miss Hands.
I have just the thing, Fizzy. Let me show you. Blue sparkles.
Is it time to make the squishies, Miss Hands?
It sure is.
Awesome!
So first up is Phoebe's slime. Look at that, sparkly and pink. And the first thing we need to do is pump out the air from our squishy maker. There we go. And take out slime. Just gotta have a little squish of this first. Ooh, look at that. You can see the sequins in there. So pretty. And in we go. Just got it all in there. Next, we're going to add the lid and roll it off. And we just have to close it off. Phoebe's pink squishy. Look at that. All the sparkles in there and the sequins. And you can see the pink glitter. And it is so squishy. And next up, we have Fizzy's blue slime. Take it out of the bowl here. Oops. And squish some of this. In we go. Stuck in my fingers there. And Fizzy's squishy slime. Look at that. Blue is the ocean and blue is the night sky. And there's a star.
These are awesome, Miss Hands, but they don't really look like us.
Well, that's okay, Phoebe. I have an idea.
Are we gonna need Fizzy magic?
Nope. We're just gonna need some paper and some coloring pens.
Oh.
So we have these two pictures of Fizzy and Phoebe, and we just need to color them in.
Can you color me first, please?
Yay, Phoebe, let's start with your fluffy pink hair. And next we do her eyes. And now we take another pink for her face. And her stripes.
Yay, Phoebe, it looks just like you. Me next, me next.
Here we go, Fizzy. Let's start with your hair. And now let's do your green eyes.
Green, like the color of grass.
Oh, that's right, Fizzy. And now we shall do your mouth. Now, what color are Fizzy's stripes?
Miss Hands, they're blue.
I was teasing you, Fizzy. I remember the blue. Let's start here. And then he has a white stripe, and then another blue here. Yay, Fizzy and Phoebe! And now all we have to do is cut them out. And now all we have to do is take them to our Squishies. That sounds great, Miss Hands. Awesome sauce.
I love my Fizzy squishy. And I love my Phoebe squishy. That tickles, Miss Hands.
Great work, team.
Show and tell is gonna be awesome. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bo.